Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session. In today's video, we are going to learn about numerical puzzle test. So as you know the total there are 6 different sections in your Infosys examinations, and one of the section we are going to learn, and the most important, you can expect 3 to 4 different sets from the number puzzle test. Each question can be either 2 marks or 3 marks, and one of the most important section, and I will teach you the approach for each and every question in today's video. And if you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe and share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different examinations. Definitely our content will help your preparation, guys. So kindly like our video also. So for every question, try to answer and post your answer in the comment section. And don't worry, I will teach you the approach for every question. So we will start with the question number 1. Just go through this picture, guys. We have a numbers 4, 4, 8, 24, 96, 480 and 2880. Now, what see, according to the certain logic, each and every number is framed. So, what can be the number should be replaced in that question mark? So, try to answer this question. Now, if you observe that, you can able to see this multiplication. See, 4 becomes 4. So, it is multiplied by 1. And 4 becomes 8. It is multiplied by 2. So, 8 is multiplied by 3 times. And 24 is exactly 4 times. Again, it is 5 times. Guys, remember that if any number is multiplied by 5, let us take this value in your mind. It is 10 by 2. If 96 is multiplied by 5 means 5 is all about half of this number. Half of this number, 96 of the number is 48. Again multiplied with a 10, then it becomes 480. So definitely it is 6 times, and finally the resultant become 2880 into 7 times. Now see, 2880 is multiplied with a 7 times. 7 8 56. 56 plus 5 is 61, 6 here, and 7 into 2, 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. So answer 20,160 is the correct answer. Is it clear? So is it clear with the question number 1? Guys, kindly like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of people, and kindly subscribe our channel too. So hope you are done with the question number 1. Guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. So I will repeat the approach, guys. Let's move on to the question number 2. We have to identify that what is the value should replace in this question mark. So it's all about the angle concept. If you observe that sum of these two numbers 75 and 105, then the resultant become 180. Or sum of all these angles is equal to 360, and subtract sum of 75, 105, 141 from 360, you will get the answer. Otherwise, see, if this sum value is 180 and this sum value must be 180. Now you answer 180 minus 141. Just find the resultant, then answer is 39 degrees. Very good, Nananusha. It's a 39 degrees. On to that question number 3. Now, you just observe this picture. You can able to see that all are alphabeticals, but the question mark number should be replaced. So question mark is replaced with a number. So find the logic, identify the logic among all these letters and which number should replace it. So this question is all about the alphabetical position. See, W, you can see the shape, it looks like say 3, that's why it's 23. R, if you close the below arc, you can see the 8 shape, 8, that's why position is 18. So S is 19. S means why? Because T20, just remember the T as 20, S is a adjacent letter 19. And O is 15, D is 4. So it's all about the alphabetical position. If you get this sum value as one of the option, you can place that number. Otherwise, you can go through that reverse alphabetical position also. But go through the sum. So 23 plus 48 result, sorry, 18 is 41. So this is all about 38 and the sum value is 79 and I add 19. So total resultant is 98. Yes, you can able to see that 98 is the correct answer. And remember one more point, guys. If you miss this question in alphabetical position, take reverse alphabetical. Sir, how we can remember the reverse alphabetical means? Remember this point. Any letter, sum of alphabetical and reverse alphabetical position. Reverse alphabetical position is always 27. It means, see, if it is 23, reverse alphabetical is 4. If it is 18, reverse alphabetical is 9. 19 means we required, see, this is H now, it is a 8. Reverse alphabetical 8. So it is a 12. And the D, 4 is a alphabetical and reverse alphabetical is 23. So try to remember all the alphabetical or reverse alphabetical position. That is most important. If you remember the position of alphabeticals, definitely you can able to get one question related to the alphabets only. We have a 4 different concepts. One is letter series, letter analogy, letter classification, and coding and decoding. All these 4 topics completely depends on the alphabet position only. That's why you must good at these positions. Hope it's clear. It's very good, Nana. Raji, Sumitra, Kuteshwar, good. Next, try to answer this question. So, which number should replace in that question mark? See, number puzzle is all about applying the mathematical operations. See, we have a addition, subtraction, multiplication, and a division, right? So, these mathematical operations should use for these numbers to get the resultant of that missing number. So, what is the logic? So according to the logic, you just tell me that which number should replace in that question mark. Now see, if you go through that sum of 12, 15, resultant is 27. 15 and 11, resultant is 26. Again 11 and 18, resultant is 29. If you want the next number, that is the sum of 18 and 12. And the sum value is 30. So 30 is the correct answer. It's 30, Nana. Clear? So try to observe that picture and within the numbers. Those are important. See, it's all about the grid, guys. We have 5 into 3 grid. See, grid approach, guys. I just want to tell these points. Grid. Either any boxes. See, for example, we have a 5 boxes, for example. We have a different cases. See, If it is 5 boxes, any four boxes, any four boxes, resultant is equal to the other box. So you can use any four boxes. If you go through that row approach, you can use any four boxes. You can apply any mathematical operation. Then it become a resultant of last box. If you go through that column operation, so use any two boxes, apply any mathematical operation. That resultant will be equal to the other box. Say if it is a row operation, use four boxes to get the resultant of last. If it is a column operation, you can use any two boxes. You will get the resultant of third. Sir, if you failed in these two cases, either sum of all the rows are equal or sum of all the columns may be equal. Guys, sum of rows is equal, sum of column may be equal. Means again, resultant of three boxes is equal to resultant of two boxes. See, if we practice many questions, then you find the logic, guys. Let me help you out. So how we can solve these kind of questions? We have either you can go for the row operation or column operation. For example, if you go through that, sir, 5 into 4 is 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. But which number should replace? That is most important. If you check with the option, we have a 2, 4, 8, 6. How we are going to balance this equation is important. For example, 5, 4, 3. You should identify that, then it becomes 23. But we cannot assume, we cannot go with the trial and error. Let's take the second row. So let's go for the second row here. 6. 2, 5, 4, 38. For example, 6 into 2, if you assuming that these are the two numbers, 6 into 2 is 12, 5 into 4 is 20. If you go through that sum, it not be a 38. Now I'm just thinking in this way, sir, 6 into 5. 6 into 5 is how much? 30. And if you go through that multiplication of these two numbers, 2 into 4 is 8, then the resultant is 38. But you should verify with other case whether it is satisfy the condition or not. So 12 into 4 is 48. 3 into 1 is 3. Let's check, is it 51 is available? Yes, 51 is available. In the same way, let's multiply that. 5 into 4. So 5 into 4 plus, sorry, 5 in, not 4, 5 into 3. 5 into 3 and 4 into x is equal to 23. You know that it is a 15. So we required some value 8, then only that resultant become 23. That's why here the missing number is 2 and the last row missing number is 51. So is this approach clear? Please let me know in the comments. Guys, kindly like our video. Please share this information with your friends also who are preparing for the different examinations. Definitely our content will help your preparation. So kindly like our video, guys. Is it clear? Please let me know in the comments. Let's go through this question. Again, try to answer this question. Guys, it's all about 3 into 4 grid. Use any either row operation or column operations and identify that what number is missing. So anyone, what is the answer for this question? Okay, for example, sir, 6 into 8. 6 into 8 is 48. 48 plus 6. It's a beyond of that number. So 6 into 8 is 48. 48 minus of 6 is 42. Yes. It's possible. 6 into 8, 48, minus of 6 is equal to 42. Same way, 9 is multiplied with the x minus of 4, then the resultant become 41. If 4 is added to the other side, then 9x is equal to 45, right? Then x is equal to 5. Just check with the option, yes, 5 is available. Let's verify the second case. 8 into 7 minus of x is equal to 50. So 8 into 7 is 56, minus of x is equal to 50. So definitely x should replace with the 6. Now the suitable answer is 5 comma 6. It's very good, Nana. Razi, Anusha, Koteshwar, Koteshwari, and Prasanna. Very good. Hope you understand the approach. Let's go through this question. Just try to answer this question. So what is the answer for this question? Again, it's a 4 into 4 grid. Use any boxes to get the resultant of other box and apply the proper mathematical operation. It's very good, Anna. Here the resultant is all about 6 into 2 plus 8. 6 into 2 plus 8 is equal to 20. Same way, 7 into 4, 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. Same way, if you want to answer this question, 8 into 6 plus 7. So 48 plus 7 is equal to 55. Very good. Good. On to the next question. Again, try this question. So we have 21, 6, 41, 36 dash 11, 18, 12, 22. Which number should replace in that question mark? So try to answer this question, guys. So one of the important model. So see, any numerical concept is a part of either numbers. You have to solve as number. If you did not get anything, then you can consider those number is a digit as individual. And you know that numbers is a combination of digits. For example, if you go through that as a number 21, 6, you never get 41. 21, 41, if you go through that any mathematical operation, you never get 6. So that is the challenge. Now, if you observe that instead of number, consider those are digits. Don't consider 21. Let us consider that it is 2 and 1, two digits. If you go through the 2 into 1, then the resultant is 2. Same way, 4 into 1 resultant is 4. And if you go through that sum, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Same way, 1 into 8 is 8. 2 into 2 is 4. If you go through the sum, then you will get the resultant of 12. Same way, If you go through the 3 into 6 plus 1 into 1. So 3 into 6 is 18, 1 into 1 is 1, then the resultant is 19. One of the important model. It's 19, guys. It's very good, Nanaridi. And Shravani, just check once, it's not 8. See, whatever the rule, it must satisfy each and every row. Is it clear? Please let me know in the comments. You can see these kind of questions also in your examinations. Very good. Move on to the next question. So we have 228, 66, 96, 202. Which number is missing? After that, we have 162. Dikshita, for Infosys, especially this section is not at all easy. It's all about the understanding of numbers and apply the logic. It's not about the difficult, it's all about your feeling. And this is one of the important section you should clear. Out of six section, fifth section is only numerical puzzle. And this is your deciding section also. Now see if you go through the sum here, 228. So if you go through the sum of these two numbers, here the resultant is exactly 300 and sorry. If you go through that sum value, it's a 324, but you never get 66. Why? Because if you multiply 66 with the 4 times, it's not a 324, right? So addition it is not possible. If addition is not possible, then try to find the difference. Here the difference, see, 8 minus 6 is 2, 22 and then 9. How much of difference you can able to see? 132. Now you should divide it by 2. 132 is divided by 2, resultant is 66. In the same way, difference of 202 and 162 is 40 units. According to the previous operation, make it as of, then the resultant is 20. Is it clear? So difference of first and last, which is divided by 2, then the resultant become center, like a middle box. Next, try to answer this question. Use those four corners and apply any mathematical operations to get middle number. So I will use some time. Try to answer it. And this is also one of the important logic. Applying mathematical operations are most important in this kind of questions. So try to find the logic. I will give some time, don't worry. It's all about understanding of those numbers and apply proper mathematical operations to get the result in. Means that's all about the middle number. Leave about the first one, second and third one. By using any mathematical operations, and those numbers should use 9, 7, 4, 6. You can do anything. We want 65. Or you can take third set 15, 2, 5, 6. You can take 80. Let me tell you one approach. Sir, 15 into 6. 15 into 6 is 90. Sir, 5 into 2 is 10. Just subtract. You will get 80. But if is it same thing is applicable for the second one? Let's verify. 9 into 6. 9 into 6 is 54. And 7 into 4 is 28. If you go through the difference, definitely it is not equal to 65. So this is not possible. Clear? So this is not possible. Think which mathematical means we should consider either adjacent or diagonal, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Which one is better to get the middle number? Guys, kindly like our video. If you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe and share this information with your friends also who are preparing for these examinations. So definitely, guys, my content will help your preparation, guys. Any answer for this question? Now see, 15 plus 5. What is the resultant? 15 plus 5 is 20. Let's try, guys. I will tell you the all different approaches or thought process. Sir, it is a 20. We want 80 means it should be multiplied with a 4. So how 4 is possible? So the difference of these two numbers. Difference of these two numbers is 4. Now 20 into 4 you will get 80. See, first approach 15 into 6 is 90 minus 5 into 2 is 10, 80. But this is not applicable for the second one. So I am changing my method. So second method, what I thought that sum of these two numbers 15 plus 5 is 20 and the difference of these two numbers is 4. If you go through the multiplication, resultant is 80. Let's verify with the second one. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13 and the difference between, see, difference between 7 and 6 is equal to 1. So if you go through that 9 plus 4, 13, difference of 7 and 6 is 1. So definitely it is not 65. Again, we failed in this operation. If it is not getting through this operation, then again change the approach. Again, what I thought that let's find the difference of these numbers. Difference of 15 and 5 is equal to 10 and sum of the numbers 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, then you will get the resultant is 80. Now you should verify with the second case. 9 minus 4, difference of the number is 5 and sum of the numbers 7 into 6 is 13 and 13 into 5 is equal to 65. Yes, it satisfies the condition. So if you want to answer this question in your examination, then you have to do the difference of 13 and 11 is equal to 2 units. And the sum of 16 and 8, sum of these two numbers is equal to 24. If you go through the product, then the resultant become 48. Is this question is clear? Please let me know in the comments. See, that's why if you practice many examples, then you can recognize any kind of mathematical operations. So please let me know in the comments. Is it clear? Clear? Yes. Let's move on to the next question. So again, it's 4 into 3 grid. So apply any mathematical operations and find those two missing numbers. Try to answer this question. So any answer? Please let me know in the comments. Now see, 15, 5, 7, 10. 64, 4, 5, which number should replace? 91 dash 9 and 22. See, observe that. So those numbers, first and to observe that 15 is divided by 5, you will get 3. And 3 plus 7 is 10. See, 15 is divided by 5 plus 7 is equal to 10. So So we will get the fourth box. Let's take the row. 15 is divided by 5, you will get 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. Second one, if 64 is divided by 4 plus 5, so it's a 21, right? So 64 exactly 16 times 16 plus 5 is 21. So definitely answer is A. See 91, see guys, 91 is divided by which number after adding 9 units, then the resultant become 22. If 91 divided by x, 22 minus of 9 is 13 units. So definitely x should be replaced with the 7. 7 into 13 is 91. So clear? Guys, if you want this PDF, after my live session, I will update in my Telegram channel. Just search at the rate of V2VVK. This is my Telegram channel. Search V2VVK. You can get my Telegram channel name as Vision to Victory. Telegram name is Vision to Victory. And you can download this material and practice once again. So if you have any questions, you can reach through either Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. So I will give all the channels QR code at the end of my session. Just scan that QR code and you can visit our channel. If you like our content, then only you can follow my channel, guys. Hope it's clear. Yes, move on to the next question and try to answer this. Now again, it's 4 by 3 grid. Which number should replace in that question mark? And can anyone tell me that you can type the logic also for this question? And this is also one of the previous year model. 28 5 to 46 35 8 5 dash 22 dash 7 dash 100 and sorry, it's 112. Anusha, how it is 135 and 6? Please let me know in the logic. Logic also. I need logic. Just want to know your approach, whether you understand those patterns or not. So whether it is a row operation or column operation. Either Harshita or Anusha, you can type your logic now. How you will get 135 and 6? So very good, Nana. Super. 28 minus of 5 is equal to 23 into 2 is equal to 46. Very good, Nana. Both are. Super. Same way, 35, you understand the approaches now. So practice few more examples. Definitely you can get good score in this particular section. So 35 minus of 8. So how much of difference you can able to see here? So 27, 35 minus, okay, 27 is multiplied with a 5 is 135. In the last section, 22 minus of x. And whatever the resultant is multiplied by 7, it becomes 112. So definitely if 7 becomes 112, 7 1 7, we have 52, 7 8. Sorry, 8. So 7 6 42. So definitely 22 minus of x is equal to 16. So definitely x should be replaced with the 6. Very good, Nana. Shirisha, Prasanna, Ashita, Anusha. Good. Keep going. Move on to the next question. Guys, don't forget to like our video. If you like, it reaches to the other people. And if you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe and press bell icon. You never miss any updates from our channel. So don't worry, I will come up with more number of live sessions for your upcoming examinations. So if you press bell icon, you never miss any updates from our channel. And kindly go through that information. If you like, then only you can follow. You can check my Instagram, Telegram, and WhatsApp. Go through the content. If you like the content, then only you can follow us. Now see again. 38, 54, 71, 79, 21 dash 12, 24, 19, 9, 14 dash. Which number should we replace? Now you can type the logic also. Now I don't want any answers here. Type your logic. At least one. One is sufficient. Why? Because definitely you will get the other right. So what is the exact number should replace in row 2? I'll give some time. Don't worry. What is the answer for this question? Please type your logic also for this question. Which number should I replace in those two question marks? Anyone, I'm waiting for your answers. Either you can go for row operation or column operations. Waiting for your answers, Royce. Try, think. Use or either row operations or column operations. Waiting. Vidhi said how she will get 97, 38 plus 61. So what is the resultant of these two numbers? 99, right? Minus 5 into 4, 20, 79. Cool. 21 plus 12. So 21 plus 12 is equal to 33, right? So here it is a 33. 21 plus 12. 33. Okay. So we want 24, right? So how much we need to subtract 33 and 24? How much of difference? 8 into 5, 35. It's not a right answer. Cool. No. I'm waiting for your answers. Any answer? So British. Okay. So 3 plus 8, 1 plus 9. Okay. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Then the resultant is 21. Cool. Let's verify that. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Yes, resultant is 12. Verify that. 7 plus 9 is equal to how much? It's a 16, right? So if we need 24, so definitely we require sum is 8. So definitely go through the option verification. Either it is a 4 plus 4 or 6 plus 2. So definitely A is not a right answer and B is not a right answer. And verify with the next one. See 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. Then the resultant is 18. So that's why D is the right answer. So very good, Nana. Super, super. I'm really impressed with your the way you understand the numbers. Very good. Nana. So the numbers here we should replace with the 18 and 44. Is this clear? That's why I say, guys, if you observe the sequence, either if you never get any answer through number, then consider number become a digit. So just separate those number into the individual quantity, then apply the mathematical operations, you will get the answer. I'm really impressed with your logic, Amma. So answer is 18 and 44. Super. Good. Next, try to answer this question. What is the next question? So 11, 24, 13, 8, 12, 10, 10, 16, 9, dash 13. So which number should replace? Again, I will give some time. Think, think. We have 84 members in the live session. So just think. Try to answer this question. Any answer? I'm waiting for your answer again. Please let me know in the comments. If possible, try to write the code. Means like logic. So how you will get option C, 22 and 12? How you will get? Is Anusha, Shirisha, it's option C. Logic, anyone please? Yes, Vaishnavi, I need logic. Can anyone please type your logic? Very good, Jyotirmay. It's option C. Agree. It's an easy one. After solving previous 3, 4 questions, guys, this is easy for you to identify the logic. So 11 plus 24. So sum of those two numbers is 35. Minus of 13 is equal to 22. Now 8 plus 12 is 20. Minus of 10 is equal to 10. Again 16 plus 9 minus of x is equal to 13, right? So this is, you know, the 25. Minus of how much? Then it becomes 13. So definitely answer is 12. So answer 22 and 12. Very good. Very good, Nana. Next, move to the next question. 36, 6, 9, 15, 88, 11, 9 dash 120 dash 6, 18. Guys, don't forget to like our video, and thank you so much for your support. So if you like our means if you love our content, please kindly share this information with your friends also. And go through the content, what kind of information I updated in all my platforms. Go through that content. If you like, then please like and share this information with your friends. The answers 36, 9, 6, 15, 88, 11, 9, 120 dash 6, 18. So, see, I told you now, if you solve previous questions, it's easy for you to recognize the logic. 36 is divided by 6, sir 6. And 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. 88 is divided by 11 is 8. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. So 120 is divided by which number? To add 6, then the resultant become 18. So here, if 6 goes for other side, now 120 is divided by 6 is equal to 12. So definitely x should be replaced with the 10. So here the numbers are 17 and a 10 is the correct answer. Very good. Next, try to solve this question. See here, you should identify that letter and number. If you go through the sum of all these numbers, 3, 7, 15, 16. 10 plus 26 is equal to 36. Verify this case. 2, 6, 8, 14, 10 is 24 and the resultant is 32. Finally, 4 plus 8 is 12, 16 plus 12 is 28, then the number must be 40. We have two options. One letter and R means P plus 2R, R plus 2T, T plus 2V. D, F, H, J. L, you have to miss M, then M, P, R. So answer 40 comma N is the correct answer. Next, try to answer this question. Try to answer this question again. 743 missing number 31 8354. See, find the logic in this case, you will get the answer. How you will get 52 by using 8354. So, for example, if you go with the same order, 8 into 3, 24, 5 into 4, 20, resultant is 44. You never get 52. You can use alternative. So 8 into 5 is 40, right? Same way, 3 into 4 is 12, then the resultant is 52. Apply the same logic here. 7 into 3 is 21, but we need 31. So definitely we need 10 here. So we know that other one number is 4 and definitely other number must be 2.5. So 4 into 2.5 value is 10 itself. Same way, 9 into 2 is 18. 3.5 into 4. No, 3.5 double is 7. 7 double is 14. So if you go through that sum, then the result end is 32. So answer D is the correct answer. Next, try to find the logic here. Which number should replace? 44, 49, 37, 52 with missing number and 41, 58, 35 and 53. Which number should replace in that question? Any answer? Please let me know in the comments. If we come up with a new logic, then you can learn many questions. Then that is easy for you to solve these kind of questions in your examinations. That's why we are trying a new logic and whatever that we are interpreting all mathematical operations in these numbers. Numbers are always interesting, but the way you see in those numbers are most important. Yes, here the question difference between 44 and 37 is how much difference you can able to see 7 units. But they given as 49, again 7 into 7 is equal to 49. Difference between 52 and 41, how much of difference you can able to see? 11. And the difference between 58 and 53, you can see the difference is 5. Now we want the resultant become 35 now, so definitely it is multiplied by 7. So that is the logic you observe every time. So 11 into 7 is 77. So 77 is the correct answer. Shankar, it's all about the practice. If you go through that means multiple questions, you can able to find the logic. It's all about the practice only. You've seen 2 3 questions, you feel that it's a hard, but once you practice at least 20 to 30 different models, you can able to get that logic in your examination. For any subject, doesn't matter it's aptitude, reasoning, or your core subjects, practice. If you practice, definitely you can recognize that kind of logics in your examination. Guys, this is for you. Hope you understand the whole session. Apply the logic and identify that which number should replace in this question mark. After my live session, just go through this question and post your answer in the comment section. So please let me know who you learned something in the today's session. Is it clear? I hope you like our video. Guys, if you love our video, just share this information with your friends also. I just want to share the guys, you can scan this QR code. So this is my Telegram channel. You just scan this QR code. You can get my channel name as Vision to Victory. And after my live session, I will update this information in my Telegram. You can download and practice once again. So this is my Telegram channel. You just take a screenshot and use the QR code and go through the content. And this is my Insta ID, guys. So it's all about the updating content every time. So this is my Instagram ID. Just follow us in my Instagram. If you have any questions related to your preparation, you can reach us. So we will take care of your questions and we will guide you in a proper way, guys. And finally, this is my WhatsApp. And you can go through the content, guys. I always say only one thing: go through the content. If you feel it, if you like this video, you can. Yeah. So that's it from today's session. Until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys. So kindly keep supporting our channel and share it to the maximum number of people. Thank you.